Hi mga ka-finds! I'm Jezreel Vivar, your real estate partner. Naghanap ka ba ng premium condominium area na para sa'yo? Huwag ka nang magkatubili pa. Andito ako para sa'yo. I got you! Saan makakarating ang 20,000 pesos mo? Kung gusto mong mag-relax, we have beautiful big swimming pools na perfect for your refreshing experience. Mahilig ka ba sa sports? Don't worry, dahil we have area for you to play, stay fit, and active. We also have play area where kids can enjoy safely and have fun. Alam mo ba na for as low as 20,000 pesos per month, ay pwede mo nang ma-experience ang lahat ng amenities na ito. For its affordable and reasonable price, magkakaroon ka na ng one-bedroom condo here in Shore. Very spacious for you to relax, hindi ba? And to add for your comfort, meron din tayong 8 high-speed elevators that will serve you. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Welcome sa ating model unit. Enjoy lifetime ownership ng iyong property dahil ito ay rent to own. Ready for occupancy na rin ang ating project. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-antay ng matagal para ma-enjoy at ma-experience ang lahat ng benefits na ito. Perfect balance ang value for money, convenience, and lifestyle ang inaalok ng ating project. Kaya naman, super sulit at for sure na hindi masasayang ang investment mo. Good news! May flexible payment terms pa dahil wala ng spot down payment at very reasonable ang monthly down payment. Kaya afford na afford mo ang pangarap mong kondo. Kung business opportunity ang hanap mo, this is perfect for rental income dahil mataas ang demand sa area. Alam mo ba na nag-i-increase ang value nito as an investment? Kaya assure ang capital appreciation nito. At kung end user ka naman, ay sulit na sulit. The space, the amenities, and the location are all well planned and designed to give you and your family the best living experience. Siguradong long-term ang comfort, convenience, at safety dito. But wait, there's more. We have balcony na for sure will get you on the mood sa napaka-peaceful view nito. And kung sa araw, perfect na perfect ang napakagandang view. I know that you don't want to miss this experience. Aside from that, this project is very near in MOA, Double Dragon Plaza, at marami pang iba in just one ride. For more details, computation, and free site viewing, please send us a message.